Hey guys, my name is xOctoManx and I will be your instructor for the next couple of hours where you go and learn everything about and inside Inkscape. We will start rather small and have a decent learning curve where you already in the first, let's say 20 minutes, you create something like this. So all of the shapes, you will learn all the tools, how you can create them, how you can manipulate them, and anything else, and what are the goods and the odds about using those tools. In the second or in the third part in here, we're gonna go into and create this little image in here. And of course, in the next section, which will kind of a bit longer, but basically just nothing else than just those two clocks at the same time. So we start small once again. We're gonna use everything we have learned in the first two parts where we have we'll create those two pieces in here, and of course we will go deeper into and eyeball something, any shape, any form of a clock or anything else you prefer to create. We only use black and white, so basically just black colors. We ignore white as well. Basically we just use the white background of the document. But in total, we're gonna need to do that, or you need to learn the shapes first before we can go and color things and build into effects and all the other stuff, which you will learn later on as well. So we start small and we rise big. So what you start with is this first rather simple image. Then you're gonna take this one. Of course you learned all the tools meanwhile. I will explain everything we need to do. Meanwhile, you're going through the course, and of course, these two parts in here are the most important ones at first. Then we repeat everything we have learned so far, and we're gonna have to do that several times anyway. So this is going to be the first, let's say, hour where you create different shapes, different figures, different things you can imagine, and which you need to know and you need to create to learn all the tools and to get into the tools and all the other things. So you need to do that all over and over and over again until you think, okay, I know all the tools, I remember all the tools, I can even do everything while I'm sleeping. When you're at this point, then you can go further. And that is what the next section is going to be about. But this section is just learning the tools and of course creating cool images in black and white.